Drone deliveries are in the news again, and quite frankly, it's getting boring. Let's have a look. So Amazon have announced that they've got FAA approval for drone deliveries in the US. It's the same every year. We get an announcement from one large company saying that they're doing drone deliveries. And it's the same every year that they are doing it in small places with low population, so it's less risk. There is no risks being taken, and I do understand that they're not allowed to take any risks because that's the whole point of risks. Where are we going to go from here? Because it's the same time after time. I don't see how this is going to progress if they are going to constantly do these in low populated areas, because low populated areas means low amount of traffic. It means low amount of data, and that can't be very good for this industry progressing. We see every year that companies like UPS and DHL and Amazon and Google are doing something somewhere. Then it goes silent. This has happened before, it's happening now. Even in the best of countries, such as Finland, where I am in the centre of Helsinki, we have the most liberal drone laws here, and still I don't see any drone deliveries happening here. And I don't see anyone taking any chances. If there was a place that it should happen and could happen, it would be here, and it's not going to. So where are we going to go? VCs are putting over 500 million into investment when it comes to drone deliveries, and still nothing is happening, and nothing will happen because no chances are being taken. Risks are not going to be taken. But however, why are we getting excited by drone deliveries? Are you getting excited by drone deliveries? Because see now, I'm not, and this is not news. This is not news. Quite frankly, it's getting boring. But tell me what you think. I want to know, do you think this is a good thing? Why? Are you receiving drone deliveries? That would be interesting. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe. Next video is coming up very soon.